Knowledge Bandara, an animated video presenting the world's best-selling books.
Hello friends, welcome back to Knowledge Bandara. I have become a huge fan of Om Swami after reading his books, A Million Thoughts and The Hidden Power of Gayatri Mantra. In A Million Thoughts, Om Swami explores the power of meditation. The book teaches various meditation techniques and provides insights on how to silence the mind, gain mental clarity, and connect with our inner wisdom. It's an inspiring guide for everyone looking to improve their mental and spiritual well-being. The second book, The Hidden Power of Gayatri Mantra, one of the most sacred and powerful mantras in Hinduism. Om Swami explains that chanting the Gayatri Mantra can improve your life, fulfill desires, and bring success in any area of life. The mantra has a special energy that can guide you towards achieving your goals. These two books work really well together. You can use the Gayatri Mantra as a tool to help improve your focus during meditation. A mantra is not just a tool for meditation, but it can also be daily practice to give you a boost when you need extra energy to get through challenges. First, understanding the power of meditation. The author Om Swami begins by sharing his personal journey, detailing how he transitioned from a successful businessman to a monk. Driven by a deep yearning for spiritual fulfillment, he emphasizes that meditation is not just a practice but a way of life, a means to understand our true nature and the universe. Swami explains that our minds are always filled with countless thoughts, many of which repeat over and over again. Most of these thoughts don't help us in any way and are not productive. He compares the mind to a monkey, which jumps from one branch to another without stopping. In the same way, our thoughts jump from one thing to another, making it hard to focus or find peace. To calm this monkey mind, Swami says that meditation is the solution. He teaches that meditation helps us quiet the mind and gain control over it. The key is not to forcefully stop thoughts from coming, but to simply observe them without getting caught up in them. By doing this, we can watch our thoughts without letting them disturb us. Swami shares different meditation techniques, but all of them focus on being aware of our thoughts and feelings without letting them take over. This practice helps us feel more peaceful and focused instead of being constantly distracted or overwhelmed by our thoughts. So let us understand the meditation techniques. Swami begins with simplest form of meditation, which is breath awareness. He explains that when we focus on our breathing, it helps calm our mind and improve our ability to concentrate. By simply paying attention to each breath, we bring ourselves into the present moment, which can help quiet all the busy thoughts in our mind. Swami then introduces visualization, which is when we focus on mental images. These images can be peaceful, like imagining a calm beach, or inspiring, like seeing ourselves achieving a goal. Visualizing positive images can help create good feelings and change our mental state, helping us feel relaxed or motivated. Another important practice Swami talks about is mindfulness. This means being fully present and paying attention to whatever you are doing right now, whether it's eating, walking, or talking. When we practice mindfulness, we stop worrying about the past or future and focus completely on the moment. This can make everyday activities feel more peaceful and meditative. Next, Swami introduces loving kindness meditation. In this practice, we focus on sending love and compassion to ourselves first and then to others. By thinking kind thoughts, we can feel more love and warmth in our hearts, and this can help us develop better relationship with others. Practicing loving kindness helps us replace negative emotions like anger with the positive ones and like love and compassion. Finally, Swami talks about mantra meditation. This practice involves repeating a specific sound, word, or phrase called a mantra over and over again. By focusing on the sound, we can help quiet our minds and keep our thoughts from wandering. The repetition of mantra creates a peaceful rhythm that helps us focus and stay calm. When it comes to the meditation techniques, one of the powerful option is Gayatri Mantra, often called the mother of all mantras. Repeating it can bring many benefits. A popular belief is that chanting it daily can help you achieve success in your personal and material life. Using it as a meditation mantra can lead to personal growth and bring success in all your efforts. The Gayatri Mantra is a sacred Vedic prayer dedicated to the sun god Savitar. The word Gayatri means illuminating, and it is believed that mantra is connected to the idea of light, which symbolizes wisdom and knowledge. The Gayatri Mantra is first mentioned in Rig Veda, which is the oldest of four Vedas. In Rig Veda, the mantra is referred to as the seed of all Vedic mantras. It is said that no other mantra can be used without first invoking Gayatri Mantra. The structure of mantra is called Chatushpadi, meaning it has four parts which corresponds to the four Vedas. In each part of Gayatri Mantra has a special meaning. Bhur Bhuva Swaha represents the three planes of existence: physical, mental, and spiritual. Tat Savitar Varenyam refers to radiant light of sun, which is worthy of worship. Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi means we meditate on the divine light. Diyo Yona Prachodayat asks for our intellect to be enlightened and blessed. So meaning is we meditate on supreme light of God that brings knowledge and removes darkness. Chanting the Gayatri Mantra with devotion is believed to bring spiritual growth, healing and peace into your life. You can chant it while sitting quietly or even walking in a sacred circle, which is called Pradakshina. To chant the Gayatri Mantra, it is traditionally said 108 times in one session. Now let us understand the science behind meditation. Om Swami not only explores meditation from a spiritual perspective but also discusses its scientific aspects. He explains how regular meditation can actually bring about physical changes in the brain. It helps reduce stress and anxiety, making you feel more relaxed, improving your overall health. One important concept he talks about is neuroplasticity, which refers to the brain's ability to change and adapt based on new experiences. Swami emphasizes that meditation can help rewire the brain to become more positive, calm, and happy over time. He also explains the connection between mind and body. Meditation can positively impact your physical health. As studies have shown, it can help with problems like high blood pressure, chronic pain, and sleep issues like insomnia. Swami also discusses more advanced stages of meditation such as dhyana, deep concentration, and samadhi, a state of total peace and oneness. These stages, according to Swami, are not something you can chase after, but rather naturally outcome of practicing meditation sincerely over time. He stresses that meditation is a journey, not a goal, and the real transformation comes when the peace and clarity from the meditation are brought into your daily life. To conclude, the meditation with Gayatri Mantra is a great way to begin your practice. Start by chanting it 11 times and gradually work your way up to 108 times. Whether you are new to meditation or have been practicing for a while, this book offers valuable insights to help you deepen and your practice and enhance your life. That's all for this week. I'll see you next time with another book summary. Bye.